Introducing the 2021 Volvo Xc90 T8 Phev INS. This stunning SUV in grey boasts a 2-litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine and automatic transmission. Loaded with luxurious features like satellite navigation, Android Auto CarPlay, ambient lighting, and more. This vehicle is the epitome of comfort and style. Safety is a top priority with ABS, lane departure warning, collision alert, and many other advanced features. Not to mention the sleek exterior design with chrome package, roof rails, and spoiler. Rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer specified servicing, and comprehensive warranty. Ready to experience the ultimate in driving luxury? Contact us at spiritmotorgroup.ie or call us today.